A gaucho taught me this trick. It'll make your meat tender as picanha. Let's start by peeling a pineapple. Once that's done, we'll set the pineapple aside. We'll only be using the peel for this. Let's put all of it into a blender. Then we'll add 500 milliliters of water. Cover it and blend everything thoroughly. Now strain the liquid into a container. Add half a tablespoon of baking soda and give it a quick stir. In a separate container, place the meat. I'm using a tough cut here. Pour all the liquid over the meat. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Folks, don't leave it longer or the meat will start to fall apart. This is the perfect timing. Now let's take it out. See how the meat's fibers have broken down? On my hot grill, I'll add the steaks. I'll season with some coarse salt. Let it brown, then flip it. We'll repeat this process again. Once brown, just remove it and our meat is ready. Look how tender it's become. It's delicious. Perfect for a BBQ, a juicy, tender steak. I hope you enjoyed this. That's another recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. A big hug to you all. See you next time. Thanks.